Welcome. If you use X and want to make sure that sensitive or adult content doesn't appear on your feed, this guide will walk you through the exact steps you need to follow. By the end, you'll know how to adjust your settings so you only see the content you're comfortable with. The process is quick and easy, and it only takes a few taps. Let's get started. First, open the X app and log into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. This will open up the main menu where you can access all of your settings. Next, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Inside this menu, tap on Privacy and Safety. This is where you can manage what you share and, in this case, control what type of content shows up in your feed. Once you're inside the Privacy and Safety section, look for the option called Content You See. Tap on it, and then choose Sensitive Media. This is the place where X allows you to filter adult or sensitive posts. Now, you'll see different options for how this content is managed. Tap on Adult Content, and then select Never Show This. By choosing this option, you're telling the app not to display sensitive or explicit material while using X. After you've made these changes, you can back out of the menu, and your preferences will automatically be saved. From that point on, your feed should only display content that fits the settings you just chose. Customizing your experience on X really comes down to taking control of the content you engage with. These settings are there to give you peace of mind. Whether you're scrolling in public, sharing your feed with family around, or simply want a cleaner browsing experience. So, to quickly recap, open the X app, tap your profile picture, go into Settings and Privacy, select Privacy and Safety, tap Content You See, go to Sensitive Media, choose Adult Content, and then select Never Show This. And that's it. Your account is all set. Now you can enjoy your feed without worrying about running into material you'd rather avoid.